What's up guys, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to make this cool looking LED wall light. Before we start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell icon. Please take a note because playing with high voltage is dangerous. Do it with caution and with your own risk. Okay, first you will need a multi-purpose box or project box. And don't forget the acrylic. If you don't have, you can use polycarbonate, but it's more expensive than acrylic. And now for the components. First thing you will need diodes. You will need 4 because we're gonna make it bridge rectifier. And then 2 capacitors. One is electrolyte and the other one is high voltage non-polar capacitor. And then you will need 2 resistors. Don't forget the LED strip. First, let's solder the resistor into the capacitor. So the capacitor will be discharged by the resistor when the AC voltage is unplugged. Then let's make the bridge rectifier with 4 diodes. Make sure the polarity is not flipped. If so, don't forget to flip it again. Then you can attach the electrolyte capacitor. Then solder it into the bridge rectifier. Make sure the polarity is not flipped. If so, it will gonna be explode. Cut the excess of the legs of each component. Solder the resistor into the bridge rectifier. If you want to make it safe, just add 100 mA fuse. Heat up the acrylic to easily bend the acrylic. Don't forget to do a measurement before bending the acrylic. Make sure you give a space between the edge of the acrylic and the project box. Make a measurement again for the box, so it can sit on the center of the acrylic. After that, you can glue the box and place it on the center of the acrylic. You can use any glue do you want, but in this case I'm gonna using silicone glue. I'm using popsicle stick to spread it out. I clean the glue on the edge so the glue won't come out when I press the box. I clean the excess of the glue so it will not look terrible. Now placing the LED strip into the acrylic. I lift up the end of each LED strip to make sure the acrylic won't melt when I solder the LED strip soldering pad. After that, I solder the jumper cables into the LED strip. The connection will gonna be series connection, but I parallel it into 4 LEDs. Solder the cable from the LED strip into the capacitive dropper circuit. Make a nail hole on the back cover so you can hook it up on the wall with nails. Don't forget to make a hole for the cable. Solder the mains cable into the capacitive dropper circuit. To make it waterproof, you can seal it up with silicone glue or hot glue. Glue the components, the box, and the LED strip itself if you want to make it safe and waterproof. Now it's time to test it out. Make sure you use extension cable, so when it explodes, it won't explode right in front of you. Don't do what I do. It's dangerous. Because I'm stupid, so it's okay. Special thanks to my Patreon supporter who always supporting me to make DIY project like this. Subscribe if you want to see more DIY project like this. Like this video if you like and share it with your friend. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.